bus, humaririt, humarupot, humaripit, I don't know. Basta kay lumakaw yung bus. Naiyak ako. Bakit naman talaga akong iyakin to? Wala naman akong alam dito.
You're just throwing them out now.
What is that?
Seriously? The sandwiches?
Yeah.
So
No,
like a month?
that was yesterday. A month, 2 weeks. Malapit yung grill. So, yung fire andun sa wood pa naman yun. At saka, madaling mag-catch ng fire. So, binira ko yung grill.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Hold on, guys. Magre-ready ako, guys. Today is Monday. Punta dito si Tami. And, di ba po, kasi hindi ako nakaalis. Kasi, parang, huwag kang alis, uy. Dito ka na lang sa bahay. Bukas na lang. So, kaya yun. Good morning po. So, ngayon tayo alis. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin ko. Moisturizer. Well, alam nyo na yung moisturizer. Fans yung moisturizer ko. Foundation. Ang foundation na gagamitin ko is itong Wet n Wild. Yun na yung paborito ko. Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Medium dark. Okay, fast forward tayo. Anyway, so yung gamitin ko na eyebrow, mag-eyebrow tayo. Ito yung Milani Soft Brow Stay Put Brow Color. Ito siya. In the shade of 01. Soft brown. Yun yung ano niya, soft brown. Ito yung blush na everyday ko kapag maglagay ako ng konting makeup. Ito yung Fit Me Maybelline. This is in the shade. Gustong-gusto ko, guys, kasi ito parang normal lang talaga kapag nilagay mo siya sa dito. Dito ko siya usually ilagay o dito. Patakbo dito. This is in the shade of 40. Anong name nito? 40. Peach. So, ganito ako maglagay. Kunti lang talaga. Parang ano lang siya. Parang lasing lang ako na makalakad ng maayos. So, yun. Normal. And then, yung lipstick na gagamitin ko is, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Lost Liquid Catsup in the shade of Berry Recognize. Like berry. Like a strawberry. Like a berry recognize. Kailangan i-memorize yan. Magdala tayo ng bag para ibagbag sa kaaway. Kapag may magbinuang, ibagbag ang bag sa ulo. Sa nagbinuang bagbag. What is the problem, huh? You cannot wait until I get down here? Huh? Wala! Jesus, ginao ko ang ginaw. Hala. Yun, open na yung charge natin yun. Hold on. Ito siya. Ginaw. Ang ginaw talaga, guys. Grabe. Okay, guys. Let's go para makabalik tayo ulit. Agad. Okay, para makabalik tayo agad. Ang sani ni Sunny. Wala pa yung package ni Tami. Okay, let's go. Every snow talaga. Kapag snow, and then magpa-plow, masira. Next day or mga few days later, lagyan nila ng mga simple lang na mga pang tapal sa mga bangag-bangag. Butas-butas na daan. And then pira yan. Kasi masaya sila kapag may mga snow. Hindi nila yan tarungin, hindi nila yan ayusin ng maigi kapag kapag may dinadaanan nyo ng mga backhoe or mga nagpa-plow ng daan, masisira agad yan. So gawin na naman nila, pira na naman. Ganit, yung mga pambulsa lang mga politics. Pangbulsa ng mga pira. Atik-atik. Malapit na ako, guys.
Ready for low prices on breakfast? Time for a Target run.
Nakakagulat naman itong Okay, dito tayo sa parking. Hold on. Parking tayo. Parking. Itong driver na to is kissing my butt. It's like very close. Okay, we're here at parking. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong mapaparkingan. Meron. Okay, dito tayo. Okay, dito tayo. Okay, dito tayo. Dito is the right parking. Okay. Naliligo yung ibon, guys. Tignan niya. Naliligo. Gustong gusto nila maligo yan. Ang dumi naman dyan, oy. Ang cute nila, oy. Naliligo sila. Ang cute. Ang cute ng birdies. Look at the birdies. Ala. I'm here, guys. Katapos ko lang. And, yan. Naawa ako sa babae dun ba? Nakakaawa kasi, ano siya, yung babae, may bus, di ba yung bus? Umalis sa bus ba? Parang may inabot. And then, yung bus, humarupot, humaripit. I don't know. Basta kay, lumakaw yung bus. Yung bus, lumakaw. Yung babae na ano, running after the bus. Like, stop. The bus driver doesn't see it. And the bus just keep going really fast. And it was really crazy. I feel bad for her. She's out there. So what's she gonna do? Whatever. She's gonna call a cab. Naano ako kay ano ba? Yung kay chocolate. Palagi akong nanonood ng mga ano. At saka yung mga kaibigan. Oh my God. Nakakaawa. Nakakaiyak naman to eh. Yung picture ni Yaki Brusas ba sa burol ni ano. Naiyak ako. Bakit naman talaga akong iyakin to? Wala naman akong alam dito. Bakit ba ganito yung nararamdaman ko? Bakit? Hindi talaga natin malalaman no, kung anong yung life natin ano. Hindi natin malalaman ba? Yung babae ba nakatingin lang sa akin. Okay lang, tingin lang kayo dito sa akin. Sige, tingin kayo. Sige, palakpakan. Mga babaeng, mga pakan. Okay guys, Britney Spears tayo. Ini guys, kita-kits lang tayo sa bahay. Naloko na ako na tong camera. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. 2 beses na tong ini-record ko. Tinapos ko na lang, walang katapusan. Anyway, so andito na pala yung package ng Habiboy ko. It's right here. From QVC. Nilagay ko na lahat sa refrigerator, guys. Maganda mag-grocery sa umaga. Well, actually, hindi naman sobrang aga. Yung mga oras na mga 10, 11, 9, 10, ganyan. Kasi wala masyadong tao sa grocery. Ang pinakamaraming tao sa grocery, yung mga uwian sa galing trabaho. Yan, at saka weekend. Pag weekday, yung mga hapon talaga. Saturday, Friday, yun busy. Sunday, hindi masyado. Ito yun guys, kapag nag-film, nagmumukbang ka, hindi yung battery na mamatay. Hindi matutuloy yung kain. Vacuum time! Vacuum time! Vacuum tayo guys, maglilinis tayo sa bahay. Yeah, Roxy doesn't like the noise, so what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Roxy, but I make mistakes. Nawala na pala yung lipstick ko. Kinain ko na with the shrimp. Kasi katatapos ko lang nagmukbang. And kailan pa ito matatapos itong nilalabhan ko? Mag-i-edit pa ako. 4 minutes na lang kayo. Ang tagal ninyo. Tagal. No, sleepy here. In the couch. In the couch. Okay? In the couch. Tignan nyo. I love you. Yes, I do. Ito talagang washing machine. Ganun ba? Di pa. Pa-right side talaga yung sipa niya. Parang sisibog ba? Masibog. Parang mamove siya to the right side. Iwan ko. Even though we put, hindi naman siya malala kasi meron ng wrapper. So anyway, every time I put something on the dryer, I always clean this up. Kasi dito yung mga, iwan ko, anong pangalan niya. It's time to edit the vlog. Or no, it's time to edit the food time. There's no more video on my food time channel. Nada. Nada por nada. Nabastos nada. Anyway, so yan. I'm going to watch vlog later on. I watch people's houses, vlog houses. I like it. I don't know, you guys. Tell me, guys, you like house, like house tour, showing the part of the house? I don't know, you guys like that? I do like it. Personally, I love that kind of video. House tour or showing the part of the house. But not so much like... Okay, guys, I'm going to edit this video, and at the same time, I have to watch this, The Bold and the Beautiful. The Young and the Restless. Come down. Come, let's go. Bouncy, Misty, bouncy. Okay. It's sunny outside, guys, but it's chilly. It's not really like cold, but it's nagkahubo-hubo na ko ba. Hindi ko kasi ito kapag andito lang ako sa bahay kasi sobrang guot. Maguot-guot. I will probably tell Tommy to do barbecue later outside. I let him do that. He likes doing it. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga barbecue sa labas. Ayan. He likes that. So, yun. Dada's here. Okay, move. Nandito na sila. Ano ko lang tong bag? Ilagay ko lang tong bag ng biyanan ko. Dito sa bedroom. Lagay lang natin. Okay. And then you go to Dada. Go find him. Go find him. Go look. Where is he? Yeah, where is he? Come here, mates. Come. Nandito na sila. Ibig ko na to very soon. So, yan. Kararating lang. And I guess, yung tummy ko is this turkey? Bumili na naman lang turkey. Yes, little bug, look. It's for you.
Put it to your ear. It doesn't work if you don't hold it to your ear.
So, where did you get this turkey?
I thought it was ham when I bought it.
It's his honey turkey. What is that? It's sweet.
I know, but it was in the road. It said honey ham.
So it's a sweet honey. As a sweet turkey.
Not sweet.
No? Well, it looks
Oh,
bad.
look.
Huh? Roxy doesn't eat Roxy doesn't eat dinner.
Put some on there.
No. I just did turkey. I put turkey. You want here? Oh, you don't eat your din. Remember?
You had dinner and didn't eat it?
Yeah, she doesn't eat it.
You didn't.
Eat your din, Rox. She will go.
Okay, go on, Debs. Go on, little man.
Alam nila, no? Power. Happy tignan si Roxy. Happy. Happy dog. Ayos, Tami, guys. Yun yung ano ni Tami. Sinabihan ako the other day na bigyan ng pagkain daw. Hindi ko binigyan. Sabi pa niya, ay, ako na lang yung magbigay. Kalong-kalong to si Tami. Ito na lang yung ginagawa niya palagi. Always asking the bird. That's it? There's shrimp over there. Don't eat the one that with the rice. Because that's my leftover. I cannot finish it. There is, if you can't have it, but there is shrimp over there. I separated. He's still a baby, you know that? He's still drinking milk. Hey, come here. I guess I'm gonna start baking the that's last steak. Huh?
You're just throwing them out now.
What is that?
Seriously? The sandwiches?
Yeah.
The
No,
one
not
from
how
month?
that was yesterday. A month, huh? 2 weeks.
No, hon. With 2 weeks, they're already old. They were from the last time before that.
Tommy?
Hon?
How about the
But when
other
I
house,
came
hon? Did you do it, hon? It's 2 months, hon. You're still there. The old food. Don't tell me. Because the other house, you don't throw anything over there. Even it's bad, you have to eat it before you make sure that it's bad.
Usually part of my Monday ritual. Can I give it a go?
I washed that cover over there.
Girls. Hey, girls.
Calling me?
Is that your African stick plant?
African.
You killed it.
Because that's supposedly inside.
Yeah, I know that. Why would you put it outside in the winter? I have not a clue.
I don't know. Tommy told me my plant died. Hey, what are you drinking over there, Misty? Okay guys, time check. It is 7 o'clock. 7:20 already?
Yeah.
Halak ka diha. I-on natin itong lights. We have to turn the lights. I don't know why the light doesn't turn on. It's 7 o'clock something.
Yeah, but that didn't change either.
Yeah, but this time it just supposedly changed. It's supposedly turned on.
That doesn't automatically change.
I know it doesn't, but this is the time. It's always 7 o'clock.
Yeah, but it thinks it's 6 o'clock.
Ah.
But you're not here?
No! Because before the time change, listen. Before the time change, it's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, okay? It's changed 6. No, now it's 8.
Smell makes her sneeze?
It's like every smell of cooking, she kind of is bother her nose.
Smell make you sneeze? I guess you...
Yun. Yan, yung light is on over there. Alam nyo guys, kumakain kami. Tapos na kaming kumakain, di ba nagluluto si Tami ng steak. I was so nervous guys. Tami closed the grill. Okay, kino-close niya yung grill para maluto yung kasi maginaw-ginaw. So, we just went inside. I started, making him coffee because he wants some coffee. And then he started doing something, giving, my mother-in-law a eggnog or something, or Albilis, yung palagi niyang iniinom na gusto niya. So, we started doing that thing. So, we leave the barbecue outside. So, and then I saw the smoke on the sliding door, smoking, guys. Oh my God, suto. Patatakbo ako, guys. Takbo ako sa labas. Pagtakbo ko sa labas, grabe. Yung feeling na akala ko masusunog na yung bahay. Yung grill, hindi nalinis. So, meron siyang mga fats. Nalinis yung grill, yung kung saan mo ilagay yung meat. Pero yung sa ilalim, hindi nalinis. Yung mga previous naming barbecue, hindi namin nalinis. So, may mga fat doon natira. So, nag-trigger, parang nag-catch ng fire. So, my God, muntik na talaga, guys. Yung fire, lumalabas na, diba, maliit yung grill namin. And then, kinuklose. So, may mga konting, yung mga parang vent kaunti, So, lumalabas na yung kayo, guys. Yung apoy, lumalabas na yung apoy. Sabi ko, matakot pa naman ako, guys. Nervyosa ako, guys. And, sabi ko, Tami! Ang ingay ko lagi, guys. Ang ingay ko sa labas. Tami! Hard head! Come here! You don't listen! Come here! And then, he just like, very slow, as normal. And, I'm very panic. And the railing sa porch namin, malapit yung grill. So, yung fire andun sa wood pa naman yun. At saka, madaling mag-catch ng fire. So, binira ko yung grill, yung table. Ginanon ko, off tanan lahat ng gasoline, gas, off lahat. Finoward ko para hindi I try to open the grill. the fire went to the freaking ceiling and it closed it back because, oh my god, and then it went out somewhere. Oh my god, damn it, I keep feeling, guys. And then I don't even care. I don't care about the steak. The steak was burnt, but it's not, you can still eat it. So we're still cooking it even kahit sunog na yung sa labas. Dahil hindi ko na-picturean, guys. Uy, na-panic na ako, guys. Uy, kumakain na lang kami, nagsishake pa rin ako, yung nanginginig ako sa takot. Niluluto namin para maluto yung sa loob. Kasi sunog na yung sa labas, ang sa loob hindi pa. So, yun yung kaloka talaga, eh. So, yun, kumakain na po sa may kumain. Tutulog na kami, and yun.
What?
You open your package? Let me see. What's in your packaging? Look at that. It's just the same material. This is really small. It won't even fit you, hon.
Compression, huh?
This is not even gonna fit me.
It says the size on it. They're supposed to be tight on you. It's compression. You don't get it.
Yeah, I know, but you won't. You need your blood. You need your blood flow.
It should have size. Size 12 to 14 and a half.
What is your size? 14, 13. On the top one with the white.
Okay.
Yeah. Yan, guys. Sami, mahilig siyang magtikip ng mga clean dishes. Look at this hungry dog. Huh? Every time I eat, you're there.
You get something? We get something. Hi guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Good night, guys. Look how sweet he is to you guys. He's not like that to me. He is so sweet to you. Over there. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
It's washing all the time. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See you guys in my next one. Good night. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Good night, good night, good night, good night.
You're so rockable.